Welcome to our video. I'm here with Jim Forquer, and we're talking about prolonging the life of your HVAC system. Got some folks here watching from Twinsburg, Ohio, and what are some of the maintenance tips you can offer them, Jim?
Well, first of all, I would tell them if you've got a forced air system, keep your filter clean. Know that how old it is. If it's a 1-inch filter, you want to change that every 30 to 45 days. If it's a 4-inch thick filter, every 3 to 6 months, depending on how heavy the use is and the environment. If you've got pets, of course, more often, things like that. And keep your condenser clean outside. If it's getting matted with cottonwood, drag the garden hose over there and clean it off. But from our standpoint, what I would recommend is a preventative maintenance plan. Okay. The reason I say that is we offer a plan where we make sure it gets done and you don't have to, because you're going to forget. The customer leads a busy life, and a lot of them I'll say, when was the last time you had that on a breakdown? I'll say, when was the last time you had it tuned up? Because your breakdown is attributed to dirt today. Dirt in the wrong place caused you to break down. They'll say, I can't remember. It was either last year, the year before. I forget. Well, of course you do, because it's not at the front of your mind. But that's all we do. So when you get on a preventative maintenance plan for us, we're going to make sure that it's done. The average life of HVAC equipment is 15 years. Now, the average means that if you take care of it, they're getting 20 years or better out of it. If you don't, the ones that forget about it and no maintenance, they're seeing maybe 10, maybe less. I've seen them at 7, 8 years fail. So that 15-year average is the average between those that maintain and those that don't. And with the expense of a new heating and air system today, it's very much worth the cost of the maintenance. And we get under the hood.
I was just going to ask that, Jim. I mean, just a real quick recap. What goes on when your guys get out of that? What are they getting into to clean, and what are they checking out?
Well, in the condensing unit, we're checking to see the electrical connections, are they ready to burn off? Do we have a burn-up contactor? Are our motors running properly and at proper speeds? Is the system properly charged? Is the refrigerant level where it should be? Inside here, we're going to check your filter again. We're going to clear your drain. Is the drain blocked and full of sediment and ready to overflow into your furnace? Do you have the proper airflow through your duct system? So we're checking a lot of things, and we're seeing, is your condenser clean? A lot of people don't know how to clean a condenser, yet it's something that sucks. It acts like a big vacuum cleaner out there. If there's cottonwood flying around, it's sucking it up. And if it's dirty, it's just like blocking the radiator on your car. It's not going to go very far. It's going to run hot and possibly cause damage.
So as well as maintain your equipment, keep it running longer, it probably keeps it running just as efficiently as it can.
Oh, sure. Well, with a dirty condenser or a dirty filter, you're running up, even though you're getting some degree of operation, cooling or heating out of it, you are costing yourself more. You're spending more because it costs more it's running inefficiently now, and you're spending more money for less.
Well, Jim's made some really good points here, and if you want to keep your equipment running top notch, and you really do, you might want to look into having Forquer Heating and Cooling stop out at least once a year and take a look at your equipment. Thanks for watching.